Open interest in Shiba Inu coin is soaring right now, and that is an excellent sign. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with what open interest is, we're going to be going over it. It's essentially opening derivatives contracts or futures, perpetuals, leverage trading, whatever you want to word it, margin trading. So we're going to go through, we're going to talk about the numbers because 18.64 trillion Shiba Inu coin in open interest sets Shiba Inu coin apart right now. So as the overall market is bouncing today, where's Bitcoin at? $96,500 at the moment. It was testing 97,000, down just a little bit right now, but the overall market is looking very good, and a lot of people are pouring into Shiba Inu coin on leverage trading. So let's talk about it. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we're going to be going over Shiba Inu coin's open interest. But I do want to say, SHIB is not my only position. I actually own a lot of positions out on the KSX exchange now. It's been an excellent place for me to diversify into meme coins. But one of those meme coins that I've bought into is Wall Street Pepe. Wall Street Pepe is still in its ICO stages. These guys have raised $47.8 million. They're going to easily cross the $48 million mark today. And really the numbers speak for themselves. The demand speaks for itself. But what these guys are doing is building a trading group. Very similar to Wall Street Bets back in 2020, early 2021. And think about it, Wall Street Bets, those guys were not geniuses. They talked about dying and bankrupt companies. And then those dying and bankrupt companies went out 10, 20x'd. It wasn't because they were good companies or they were good buys. It was because people talked about them in that group. And that's what I think could happen with Wall Street Pepe here. Because of how many people have poured in. Because of the amount of people, and guys, this video might get 1,000 views, right? 2,000 views right now. Clearly, there are tens of thousands of people that bought into Wall Street Pepe. There's a lot of people who don't even know who I am, and know that I exist, buying into this. And I do believe that they're going to buy the tokens that are talked about in this group. Because of that, not only can we make money in Wall Street Pepe, if we keep that exclusive access, you don't have to keep all your coins. Take profit on some of them, right? But if we keep that exclusive access, it could be just like Wall Street Bets, man. Anything mentioned in this group could get bought up by this group and jump 5, 10, 20x in value relatively easily. So I really like what Wall Street Pepe is doing at the moment, and we're going to follow them and keep up with them. But let's discuss Shiba Inu. Oh, and I've bought into Wall Street Pepe. I don't know if I said that, right? But Wall Street Pepe is my largest held ICO right now. Dog-themed meme coin, Shiba Inu coin, has seen its open interest soar amid ongoing rebound of the cryptocurrency market. Now, according to CoinGlass data, 18.64 trillion Shiba Inu coin worth $399 million in outstanding derivatives contracts were open in the last 24 hours, guys. We're talking about this being open in the last 24 hours. This is not the outstanding amount. This is what was opened in the last 24 hours. This is incredible. It says renewed interest amid SHIB's volatility. The spike in open interest hints at a 25% surge in the last 24 hours. It suggests renewed interest in SHIB despite its continued price volatility and the token's inability to hit new levels. Notably, SHIB has struggled to rediscover new price levels in the last month after it plunged below the 2,800 point per coin mark. As of the time of writing, SHIB's trading hands at about 21.30. Right now it's 21.40, so very, very close to when they wrote this article. And it marks a significant surge from the earlier trading low of 1978. Guys, yesterday we bottomed out. 1973 here on KSX. Maybe it was 1978, wherever they were looking. But nonetheless, a very large decline. Already signifying a very nice rebound. The current uptick in open interest has rekindled hope in some investors of a likely rebound if momentum can stay at the same level. Gate.io exchange accounted for over 3/4 of the open interest figures, with 15.29 trillion Shiba Inu coin in open interest, amounting to $326.9 million, or 81% of the total numbers there. Now, of course, BitGet and OKX are available as well. But guys, I don't have access to Gate.io. I can't trade on BitGet and OKX and all of that stuff unless you're using a VPN. You're not supposed to use a VPN. But I do have access to it on the KSX exchange. And I do have access to it on the BitUnix exchange. And if you guys live in the United States, I'm going to talk more about these exchanges in a second here, because you can trade on leverage. You can add to those open interest numbers. Technical recovery and market sentiment. Notably, the current attempt from Shiba Inu coin, or SHIB flows, from its ability to post a recovery above the critical 200-period exponential moving average. It says a slip below this point might have spelled danger for investors, as meme coin's price could have further declined. Now, the 200-period exponential moving average is a tipping point between bullish and bearish price trends. However, SHIB's recovery has revived hopes for market participants in this token. As reported today, or as reported by you today, SHIB has reversed its bearish trend, and investors hope the meme coin will sustain its current momentum. Absolutely. Now, you guys can go through and look at a few more articles on this open interest if you want, but I want to show you just how easy it is to open a leverage trading position yourself and contribute to that number, or take advantage of the current sentiment. Now, Shiba Inu coin, in my eyes, never broke its bullish trend. So they talk about it being bearish, and I know they're looking at the last month or so with Shiba Inu coin dropping about 30% from 3,300 to 2,000 points per coin. I get that. But if you go back 6 months, you can see that Shiba Inu coin has continued to hit higher highs and has continued to hit higher lows throughout the duration, never confirming a downtrend. We wicked down yesterday, sure, but we're right back up above it today. Traders are using this level as an extreme level of support. Now, one of the things that they're doing is going out and buying on leverage because they believe that this is the bottom. I'll say this, I have no idea where the bottom is. Nobody has any idea where the bottom is or where the top is. It is basically, all it boils down to is an educated guess. One of those, what do they call them? A hypothesis, right? Now, because of that, you look at the price action, current and historical. Shiba Inu coin is a very strong horizontal level of support at about 2,100 points per coin. Shiba Inu coin also has this beautiful ascending level of support, and right now they're coinciding in the same exact location at about this 2,100 point per coin mark. Now, with Shiba Inu coin bouncing off, people are opening positions at an accelerated rate, and one of the ways to take advantage of it, let's say you've got $1,000 in your account, you can actually go out and buy $100,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. So what traders are saying, in 100x leverage is very risky, right? But I mean, if you get 1,000, you can come out with $5,000, or you can buy $10,000 or $25,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Understand that risk to reward ratio before you guys actually go out and open a position. But nonetheless, if you said that this is the absolute bottom, Shiba Inu coin is rising now and it is not going to fall again. If you went out and opened a 100x leverage position, which is what a lot of these guys might be doing to accumulate, 18 trillion SHIB in open interest, what you're essentially saying is the price is not going to fall anymore. Instead of me making a percentage gain on my 1,000, I'm going to make a percentage gain on 100,000. And then you can really see the gains add up, because very quickly, every percent that Shiba Inu coin moves higher is a 100% gain for those that opened a 100x position. Every 2%, if you open a 50x leverage position, every 2% that Shiba Inu coin goes up is a 100% gain on your principal. So it really does increase the reward, but guys, don't forget that it increases the risk as well. If Shiba Inu coin were to go down 1% or down 2%, you would lose, right? You would lose 100% of your principal there. That's how leverage trading works. But people open these positions because they believe the bottom is in. Now, you guys got links for the KSX exchange. These guys got the best selection of meme coins that I've ever seen in the United States. And you've got the BitUnix exchange. Shiba Inu coin Bitcoin doing very well. Shiba Inu coin doing very well. You can also open on up to 125x leverage today out on BitUnix, down to 1x leverage. So they're a lot more lenient in the leverage that they allow. I want to know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.